Hi everyone. And this question. Question is saying that a convex lens is in contact with a concave lens. Object is placed on the left side at a distance of 20 centimeters. Find the distance of image. So convex lens is in contact with a concave lens like this. Okay. Okay. I will draw again. Concave lens is this. This is convex lens. This principal axis. Optical center will be there. So first of all, you will find the equivalent focal length of this system. So convex lens 1 upon 30, convex lens will be minus 20. So equivalent focal length comes out to be 30 multiplied 20, 20 minus 30. So it comes out to be minus 60. This is the focal length of equivalent lens. It is negative. Negative means which type of lens is this? This is concave lens. Okay. Concave lens. Like this. Draw. Where is my object? Object is here. Object is placed where? At a distance of 20 centimeter. Yeah. Find the distance of image. Simply apply the formula 1 upon f. F just now we have solved. 60, 1 upon t minus 1 upon u will be minus 20. So 1 upon v will be minus 1 by 60 minus 1 by 20. It comes out to be 60 multiplied 20 minus 80. Okay. So what is the answer? V comes out to be minus 50. So which option is correct? Option B. So such question always find the focal length of equivalent lens. Okay.